Before you upload your next short, pause for a while, because there is a mistake a lot of creators are making, and that mistake does not happen during the video itself. It happens during the upload. And I have made this mistake before, and the mistake had quietly been dragging my short backward. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload short in 2026, like the step-by-step guide on how to create short and upload it in 2026. If you are watching for the first time, this is Tube Metrics, and here we school you on how you should grow on YouTube. So why are shorts so important? Shorts are not just random clips. They are one of the fastest and most powerful way you can grow your channel in 2026. And here are 4 massive reasons why you should post short the right way. Number 1, explosive visibility. YouTube pushes short in front of brand new audience. A single optimized shot can land in front of thousands, even millions of people, skyrocketing your channel overnight, making people that have not known you before in all walks of life, in all nations of life, view your video. That is why you need to be posting short, because people who you never know in your life before, audience who you never know in your life before, will be able to find your page and be able to know you at least for the first time. That brings us to number 2. Serious monetization power. I know a lot of people downplay on short monetization power, but the truth is that short is getting many people monetized. There are people who are getting monetized by posting short, and you can make it if you can just apply what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. Number 3, subscriber growth on steroids. Short is one of the fastest way to get a lot of subscribers because it reaches wider range of audience. It can be able to bring people into your channel, and they can be able to subscribe to your channel. So posting short daily is increasing the probability of people subscribing to your channel. Is what is, to me, is actually the most legit way of getting subscribers. Number 4 is the fact that YouTube have done a particular feature since 2025, if you have not known, where your short can actually lead to your long form video, and I call this like is a bridge to your long form video, right? So it is something that you have to understand. Posting short every day, and you do what I'm going to say in this video, is going to push your audience from short to watch the full video on long form, and this is as important as the success you are looking for. Okay, moving on to the second section. Apparently, there are 2 ways you can film your shot. One is that you film vertically, that is, your camera is like this, and then you record like this. And secondly, you cut a clip from a long form video that you already made. And there's a way you can do it. How you can do it is basically you change the aspect ratio. You just cut like a 1-minute video from inside a very good place where the video is sweetest the most, and then you change the aspect ratio from a 16:9. Normally YouTube videos are only 16:9. They are landscape, and there is 9 here, then there is 16 here. But this time around, the 16 is going to be here, and the 9 is going to be here, so that it will become a vertical video like this. So that is how you can prepare for your short. So with that one now, you will be able to notice that your video is automatically uploaded as short. So right now I'm going to go over to my screen, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to upload short in 2026, the step-by-step process. So stay tuned as we go. So this is how to upload your short on YouTube. Very, very important. You go over to your YouTube app, and then you click on the plus icon. Then you are going to see short. Then you can click on add. This add button is very important. Click, give it the permission. Then in the permission, this is going to be the app that I'm going to be putting. You click, then you put next. If you are still looking for trend or you are trying to hack the YouTube algorithm in 2026, you're already behind. Because YouTube have quietly changed the way videos are discovered.
Right up. Then you click done. Wait for it.
For trend or you are trying to hack the
You can now decide to say, okay, you're adding music, but let me just write something quick. Okay, before I say check related video for few video, how the new algorithm on YouTube. You put something like this. Since there's already something up, let's put it down because the video has a black spot down. So the next one is that you are going to decide to add music that is trending, and see this one now. You just add it. Now for it to trend. Something like that. So you now click next. Very quickly, you have to understand this thing about short. Your videos should be very, very short. Your title should be very, very short. You put your title as the new YouTube new algorithm. So let's put it Tube, YouTube hashtag. Make sure the hashtag is related to the video. You can put it. Then make sure you put it on private. It's very important. Put it on private so that you can do other setup later. So the next one is audience. Make sure you put it as no. It's not for kids. Now go to add description. Description is good. So you can just add description. So can put your location. Though you really don't need to add okay. Now add location. But a good thing about location is that it can help you drag viewers from that location. Lagos State. Just put Lagos. The latest video. This is one of the things that is very, very important. So latest video, you don't joke with it at all. You make sure that you put in a particular video that you want to use as related video, right? So for now, we can decide to say, okay, we are going to put this as related video, but any video you know that it is the long form video of this particular shot is what you use. So the next one is you add to playlist, and just add it to this playlist. And is this in page? Say no. Very important. No. If you did not alter, then you go to upload. Yeah, then you go to create your thumbnail. You can see the thumbnail was just black, but you can choose any of these. Something very, very funny. So a place in the video that is very, very funny. So you just look for place in the video, something like it. Then you just choose this one, and then you click upload. So it's uploading now. We'll wait for it. The next thing you will want to do is to go to your YouTube studio. And when you have gone to your YouTube studio, the next thing is that you are going to go over to the content section, and then you go over to the new video. This is where you are going to cook the video so that it can be able to be published. So there are things you still need to cook in the video. So you now go over to the pencil icon that I just clicked, and then you can see more options, tags. This tag is very, very important. You have to put enough tags, right? So you will put something like YouTuber. You will put something like YouTube growth, go back. This should be more, is better. So the next one is that you would now say save, and then right now you can tap in this place, and then you put it private, you put it public.
So finally, understand that some shots do well and some shots do not. No matter how optimized they are, the algorithm don't just push them. And it's not your fault. But the fact remains that if you can be able to optimize your shot the way I just taught you, you will have a high chance of your shot going viral. And it will not be as hard as you think. So thank you so much for watching to the end. If you are here at this level of the video, that means you love the video and you have gotten value from the video. So why not smash the like button and then subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to get more video for now. So bye for now. See you in my next video.